Let's just wait to finish this first because we're starting at the same time.
Yeah. Hey guys!
Oh, we started.
What's up? My name's Michelle. Welcome to Arbitrary Howls. This is Camera Guy. Are you having trouble with that box?
I just really want to just destroy it.
Okay, so we are doing a Lego build-off. We each have 2 Star Wars Legos, and we have to build them.
Hold up.
Hence the name, build-off. And we're not timing it, but we are gonna, it's like a challenge where we're going against each other. And it seems Camera Guy just hit his arm.
That hurt.
So we're gonna go ahead and separate these, and then when I say go, we're gonna get started.
I hope they aren't separated. That makes sense. Okay. What is this? This sticky? Hold up. Oh, it's a cape. They put the capes in like a little box.
I don't have any capes.
Yeah, because I have a Jedi. Okay.
Okay, so hopefully you
3,
can see him.
2, 1, go.
Go.
Okay. Oh no, I already dropped multiple things.
I'm already ahead of you then.
I'm just gonna take my time. There's one that was like 10 pieces more than the other one or something, but it wasn't an extreme difference. Okay.
I feel like we should have gotten cards of random things to talk about during this, but oh well.
We're just full focus mode.
Well, we're gonna talk a little.
Yeah. Totally. Okay. I got the first character set out. Okay, is that the right? Yeah, it is the right one. Okay. Like that. Just can't even flip the page. I need this.
I didn't think about their guns.
Where's the other one?
I love how Lego actually made the guns or blasters
Yeah,
so they can actually shoot
guns
out.
that can actually shoot out. I mean, it's probably
I like.
old by now, but I stopped playing with Legos for a while.
Remember to talk loudly so the camera can hear you.
Yeah.
He has that problem.
Well, because my microphone's so close when I'm recording on PlayStation, so I have to talk softly, or else it's just ear rape.
Yeah.
Okay. I feel like I am doing decent as I try and put a piece on backwards or upside down.
That's actually kind of funny.
Okay.
So guys, make sure to comment down below
Who
what
do you
are
think
their...
is gonna win?
Oh yeah, do that too. But also, comment what kind of random videos you would want us to do.
Yeah.
Because I can't think of everything. So shaky. I just did a kickboxing lesson or class. It was really fun. You guys should go check it out at Total Fitness Kickboxing. And no, not sponsored. I've always wanted to say that. I have also always wanted to say, yes, this video is sponsored, but I have yet to be able to say that. We're so focused. I don't like it. I like being able to just do whatever.
Where does this go? It goes on top of the left piece. Okay, now. Boom, and I'm supposed to have another one of those. Right here. Okay, this is going decent. This is not getting awful, which is good.
Who was that? Did you see?
I think it's Matthew.
Okay. Matthew's one of our brothers.
Okay, let's make sure we get this part right.
This is probably going to be boring to watch.
Yeah, but it's fun for us at least.
I've always wanted to do one of those weird videos that I saw Good Mythical Morning doing, 11 minutes of silence. I wanted to make it into a challenge and see, like a
Who
quiet
can-
mouse challenge
Yeah, who can stay the quietest?
for the longest.
Mm-hmm. This one is like, oh my gosh. It's kind of cool. Wait. Yeah, I did do that right. I think we're doing the same thing. No, we're supposed to put something up top. Wait, it's a wrong piece. No! Why don't they bring like little Lego splitters?
Those only come with like the larger packages, I think.
Mm-hmm. Okay, now we need that piece. Gosh. Flip it over, put this. White thing. Put this on top. Need a gray stud. Oh, it's a black stud. You wrench through it. Okay. This thing. That's kind of cool. Okay. That. Okay. I would like to say that I have gotten decently far.
What number are you on?
I would not like to look. Because I don't want to lose focus. Okay. Now we're doing the same thing opposite, if I'm not mistaken. 134. Now we put the black stud, the wrench, telescope, the thing, we attach it. That's pretty cool so far. Pretty cool.
Pretty cool. That was weird.
Okay.
Oh, I put the wrong piece on.
Huh.
Wait, do I even have that piece? I don't have. Oh my! Did I put the wrong pieces on? What?
I think. What? I think it skipped some of the instructions.
Yeah, I think I put the wrong piece on.
Am I supposed to have a second?
Here we go.
Am I supposed to have a second thing in instructions? No. What? Okay.
Oh man. We're all just so confused.
I just gotta eyeball it because I think somehow something got skipped.
No, you can't eyeball it.
What? Well, I don't have instructions for half of it.
That's weird.
Yeah, the first half of it I don't even have instructions for. I think it's just the people. Most of the figurines I don't have instructions for. So yeah. So this should be an easy fix. Yeah, I think we're close.
I am too.
I said we're close, like both of us.
Okay.
I'm done.
Dang it.
I'm pretty sure. Okay, so let me check over everything. Yeah, that. So these just need to that back part. Creating a end of these. Yeah, I think I'm done.
Check again.
I am.
Well, I'm going to continue building, and then when I'm done, we'll do the outro.
Well, there's like a problem, like it just, the half, it's just like floating. It's like just nothing to do with it, you know what I mean? That's weird. I don't like that.
You don't like that.
I have a ton of extra blue studs because those are like the lasers that you shoot. I have an extra lightsaber piece.
Okay, I have a piece that I never even used.
Did you finish?
Yeah,
What piece?
this piece. Oh, they gave me an extra piece. They said there's supposed to be one.
It's probably supposed to be like that.
No. Well, we're both done. Okay, guys. See, there isn't one.
Oh yeah, this dude has it.
I guess I wasn't done.
It was like this.
Okay. Guess I wasn't done. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope that you commented the right person, which clearly was not me. I can visit later. Okay, and I think we will both really enjoy these toys. So I guess see you guys later.
I won.
Yes, you did win.